Guys, let's unbox my new electronics kit together. I've created a new playlist called Electronics Project. So if you want to watch my electronics video, just go to my playlist and tap on the Electronics Project. You're going to be seeing my electronics videos. Okay, so basically in the subsequent days you're going to be seeing me working on electronics projects and stuff. So if you are into electronics, you can also watch these videos. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have a lot of stuff. Let's explore all of them together. Look at what we have in here. I'm going to be using all of this in making videos. So if you are into electronics, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch out. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is a CD. I think it contains videos or informations about this electronics component. Let me put it here. Okay, guys, you are going to be doing a lot of stuff, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. You're going to be learning more and more. This is all about electronics, and as I said, I've created a playlist called Electronics Project. If you want to watch my electronics videos, just go there and explore. This is a breadboard, solderless breadboard, breadboard electronic. Let's see how it looks like. Okay guys, this is the breadboard. Let's put that one to aside and put it back in. Okay, we also have the resistors. Guys, it's gonna be great. We're going to start from basic stuff. Okay, I put that one too. We have our jumper wires. Okay, we have the male and the female. You can just insert or connect this pin to this one. Okay, something like this. We're going to be doing more and more stuff. Have this board here. Actually, I don't know the name of some of these components, but we'll find out and we'll be using them. So don't forget to stay tuned. We also have this part here. And this is the charger. I think this is 9 volts or something like that. Okay, we have it here. Output 9 volts. Okay, this is the AC to DC adapter. Okay, the input is AC 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and it is going to give us the 9 volts DC 1 amp. Okay, I think we connect this one to this. We have something here. Yes, something like this. And we just connect it to the socket. And maybe it is going to power this from here to a different place or something like that. You'll find out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. You have a lot of things to study or to do. I think it has a battery or something like that. Maybe you connect this one to this. I know some of this and others too, I don't know, but you will surely find out and you'll be using them. Maybe a battery or something like that. Okay, we also have this here. I think this is a moto or something like that. Tower Pro. This is micro servo. Yes, servo moto. Okay, let me put this one to here. Let's check this one out. This one looks like the emergency button or something like that. I don't know what this thing is, but in future you tear the rubber and use it for sure. We also have this here. This one looks like the Wi-Fi signal or something like that, a sensor or something like that. Guys, you have a lot of things to do. This is a card, ATM card or whatever. Maybe you connect it to this one, I think. Okay, let me put this one to here. We also have this. Guys, you have a lot of things in here. If this is your first time watching my video, this is Mr.Electric DIY. All I do here is to share electrical projects and skills, and with this particular video we are heading into electronics. So it will be better if you also buy this type of electronics kit and we explore together, we learn together, or we build our stuff together. Okay, we also have this connecting cable here. I think we connect this to a laptop or a desktop. Okay, this is the screen. You have the screen right here. I think there is a part that you connect this one to. Guys, I'm not seeing that part. Oh, okay, we have it here. This is this one. We have IC on top of this board. A lot of things, guys. You connect this one to this. I think if you want to install any Arduino project or something like that, this to the system unit and this to this board, and we install the code. Okay, guys, it's going to be great. If you have any electronics projects, kindly share it in the comment section. Let's work on something. You have this motor here, step motor, 5V DC. Okay, have the connecting wires here. You also have this one here. This is also a motor. Okay, you have this here. Guys, it's a lot. Some of them I don't really know what it is, but you'll surely find out. You have this one here, a remote or what. Let me put it aside. Guys, as for the components, there are a lot. There are a lot of them. There are a lot. Just subscribe to this channel and let's explore. You have the LEDs, transistors, you have IC, capacitors. Okay. This is IC chip. Guys, it's a lot. You also have this here. You can insert a chip like this. Okay. You also have this here, something like a buzzer or alarm or something like that. You also insert it. So guys, as I said, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and let's work on more and more stuff, electronic stuff. So in our first project, I will explain how this breadboard works, how the terminals are linked. So if you are inserting any resistor or any other component, you know that from here to go to this place. You also have a lot of LEDs here. This is a capacitor, the positive and negative legs. You also have them here. One is long and the other one is short. You also have LEDs. Just insert them together with resistors. So guys, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to this channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, YouTube is going to notify you that Mr. Electric DIY has posted a new video. This is the screen or the display. Guys, it's a lot. You have a lot to learn and also a lot to do. Thank you for watching this very video and see you in my next video. Bye bye.